The overall goal of this procedure is to demonstrate a convenient, efficient, and high-throughput microfluidic purification technology to separate free nanoparticles from cells, following cell engineering with nanoparticles.
The major advantage of this technology is to allow the quick and efficient removal of the unbounded nanoparticles after the cell labeling procedure without the laborious centrifugation.
This microfluidic cell purification technology achieves efficient size-based separation due to differential inertial focusing effects of cells and nanoparticles in a spiral micro device. It can process up to 10 million cells per ml concentration, which is very useful for regenerative medicine as well as large volume cell processing.
This technology is highly desired for cell engineering field, which often using nanoparticles to label cells for imaging purpose or function control.
Demonstrating the procedure will be Hui Min Tei, a research assistant from my laboratory, as well as Dr. David Yeo, a postdoctoral research fellow from Professor Shi's laboratory.
Culture mesenchymal stem cells to greater than 80% confluency on a 6-well plate prior to labeling the cells with the nanoparticles. Similarly, culture THP1 cells to a density of 1 million cells per milliliter. Next, dissolve 1 milligram of silica nanoparticles with 1 milliliter of 200 micromolar calcium dye solution and stir the particles overnight. Also, fabricate PLGA calcium AM nanoparticles using methods described in the reference shown.